Learn from TutorDA. For the function f of x equals the square root of x, where is f not differentiable? Option A, x is less than 0. Option B, x equals 0. Option C, x is greater than 0. Option D, everywhere on its domain. For f of x equals the square root of x, domain is x is greater than or equal to 0. For x is greater than 0, f x equals 1 over 2 the square root of x. At x equals 0, 1 over 2 the square root of x is not finite. For the function f of x equals the square root of x, where is f not differentiable? Hence, the correct option is B, that is x equals 0. Consider f of x equals the square root of x minus 2. At which point is f not differentiable? Option A, x equals 1. Option B, x equals 2. Option C, x equals 3. Option D, at no point in its domain. The domain is x is greater than or equal to 2. For x is greater than 2, f x equals 1 over 2 the square root of x minus 2. At x equals 2, the denominator 2 the square root of x minus 2 becomes 0. Consider f of x equals the square root of x minus 2. At which point is f not differentiable? Hence, the correct option is B, that is x equals 2. Let f of x equals the square root of x squared minus 4. Where is f not differentiable on its domain? Option A, x equals minus 2 and x equals 2. Option B, x equals 0 only. Option C, for all x is less than 0. Option D, nowhere on its domain. Domain x squared minus 4 is greater than or equal to 0, so x is less than or equal to minus 2 or x is greater than or equal to 2. For x is not equal to plus or minus 2, f x equals 2x over 2 the square root of x squared minus 4 equals x over the square root of x squared minus 4. At x equals plus or minus 2, the square root of x squared minus 4 equals 0. Let f of x equals the square root of x squared minus 4. Where is f not differentiable on its domain? Hence, the correct option is A, that is x equals minus 2 and x equals 2. For f of x equals the square root of x minus 1, x minus 5, at which x minus value is f not differentiable, but f is defined. Option A, x equals 0. Option B, x equals 1. Option C, x equals 3. Option D, x equals 6. Subscribe to get more videos like this. Share if you know any student who needs it.